Lutron is known for having the industry's best shading solutions. I'm Lee Travis with Wipliance, and today we're going to discuss the differences between Serena, Triathlon, Sivoia, and Palladiom shades. Serena is a DIY solution, works only with Lutron's Caseta lighting control, and is set up for homeowner installation. Lutron's professional solutions begin with Triathlon, available in wire or wire-free, roller shades up to 12 feet by 12 feet with a larger fabric selection, including honeycomb and wood blinds. Sivoia is a wired-only solution for unique applications such as large roller shades, skylights, drapery tracks, horizontal shears, wood blinds, and specialty applications like angled and arched windows and outdoor shades. The pinnacle of Lutron shading solutions, Palladiom, are designed to be seen. Available in wired and wire-free in a large selection of luxury finishes. Lutron is the best in the industry. They have designed the simplest, most elegant, most reliable solutions on the market. If you'd like to learn more about these solutions, contact us today or visit us at one of our locations to learn which is the best solution for you.